People living all across the upstate are cleaning up after a strong weather system carved a trail through the area, bringing with it an EF1 tornado. 7 News' Melanie Palmer shows us the damage it left behind.
A closer look at what those powerful winds left behind in the upstate. Take a look at these downed trees, some of which fell on houses and sheds. But for the people working here to clean it all up, they tell us it's not going to be a quick task.
All hands on deck.
Our friend, he just asked us to come down and look at the damage and see what we can do. And we have the equipment to help him.
As upstate residents clean up what strong winds left behind. And for Jeff KRON, that damage wasn't just limited to his yard.
There's where it hit the roof up there.
He and Sergeant Vincent with the South Carolina National Guard gave us a glimpse of what they're dealing with.
Broke the header on the window and
see, the damage went from here all the way to the basement. There's walls, ceilings cracked there too.
When you saw it, what were you thinking in your head?
I can't say that.
KRON says luckily no one was home when it happened. But just a couple streets away, this upstate man heard and saw it all.
I heard cracking and sounded like a train coming through. And I got my grandson in a bear hug, you know, because I didn't know what was coming through where, because I know I got all these big trees around the house.
After that, he came outside to this.
My truck, my daughter-in-law's car got totaled. I got a trailer crushed in the back, little utility trailer. My roof got damaged, my carport got damaged.
And as upstate residents like ZEUNER continue to clean up the debris, they tell us they think this could take a long time. In fact, one person told us all summer.
Officials with the National Weather Service tell us winds got as high as 95 miles per hour. They also say a lot of the damage was just to trees like what you're seeing here, a lot of them falling down. They say damage to homes or buildings was very minimal. In Blacksburg, Melanie Palmer, 7 News.
And officials with the National Weather Service tell 7 News no one was hurt in the upstate. We do want to get a check-in with meteorologist Dan Bigford, who's going to give us a quick recap of the tornado's path through Cherokee County. Dan, this left a lot of damage.